Hello friends, in this video we solve our example number 12.5, that is the resistance of the metal wire of the length 1 meter is 26 ohm at the temperature 20 degree Celsius. If the diameters of the wire is 0.3 millimeters, what will be the resistivity of the metals wire at that temperature? Using table 12.2, predict the materials of the wires. So here you have given the wire whose resistance value is 26 ohm and length is 1 meter at the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Also you have given the diameters, that is 0.3 millimeters. Here diameter is given in millimeter scale, you need to convert in meter scale. So you know that 1 millimeters is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meters. So now we convert the diameter value in meter scale, that is D is equal to 0.3 millimeters. So 0.3 into 10 raised to minus 3 meters. But instead of 0.3 you can write 3 into 10 raised to minus 1. Only 0.3 is equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 meters. When you combine these two, you get 3 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. So this is the diameter value of the wire. So diameter is 3 into 10 raised to minus 4 meters. Now you have to find out the resistivity value of the metal at that temperature. What is the meaning of this temperature? That is 20 degrees Celsius. Because if temperature is changed, then value of the resistance and resistivity both change. So here the resistance value is given at 20 degrees Celsius. So we have to find out the resistivity value at the same temperature. Then you know that the relationship between the resistance, resistivity, length and cross section area. From this equation we derive this one, that is rho is equal to RA by L. But here you notice that the value of cross section area is not given. Instead of that you have given the diameters value. But here the wire, it has the circular cross section area, then circular cross section area is given by A is equal to pi r square. In this area you have R is radius. Then what is the relationship between radius and diameters? The diameters, it's twice of the radius. Diameter is twice of the radius. Then radius R is equal to D by 2. When you put instead of R in cross section area D by 2, you get A is equal to pi D by 2 whole square is equal to pi D square by 4. So this is your A value. When you put this A value, cross section area value, in R into A by L, so you get R, instead of A we have pi D square by 4 and this is L. Now put values of R, pi, D and L, you get, you have given R that is 16 ohm, pi that is 1.40, D square that means 3 into 10 raised to minus 4 whole square divided by 4 and length is 1 meters. When you solve this, when you calculate this value, you get 1.84 into 10 raised to minus 6 ohm into meters. Ohm into meters is the SI unit of the resistivity. And when you compare this value with the table number 12.2, you get this value is for the manganese. So from this one we conclude that here we have given the wire that is made up of manganese. Our wire is manganese. Okay. So in these numericals we find out the resistivity value, and from table 12.2 we predict that the metal wire which is made up of manganese. Okay. So this is the example number 12.5.